Welcome back, and today we're learning how to use a mouth call, a turkey mouth call. This is a how-to. First off, you want to get your call. When people put it in like this. That's backwards. You want to put it with the reed facing out, like this. And you're gonna do that. This is for beginners. You're gonna take your tongue and put this call to the roof of your mouth. And just gonna sit there like this. And then you're gonna blow. That's where you get your noise. You're either gonna hiss like a cat or like a snake. Like a S sound. Either you're gonna do that or you're gonna hiss like a cat. Some people can do both, some people can only do one. But we're gonna learn how to yelp and cluck. So here's how you start to learn your yelp. You put that sound, you make that sound long, and you just let off. And that's how you do that. I'm using a V-cut call. That's just what I like. This is a little cheap $5 call, but you can, the more expensive calls, the better they'll be. So, you can use this whatever you want. Now we're gonna learn how to cluck. To learn how to cluck, put the call in your mouth, same thing. You're gonna say puck, like hockey puck. I'm not best at it, but still working on it myself. But this is a how to get you started video. I have a few different calls. Some of them sound better than this one, some of them don't. I like this one for clucking more. I don't know why, I just do. And these are just some cheaper calls, and you can use this to practice or to actually kill turkeys with. But I would recommend you practicing this sound for the yelp. Right there, practice that, the see. The only thing I'm doing is letting my tongue fall off at the end. My tongue's just letting the call fall off at the end. And then I'm just doing it faster and faster and faster until I'm... And to cluck, you're just gonna say puck, like hockey puck. I'm not the best at clucking, as you can see. But this is the how-to video. Let me know if there's any other sounds you'd like to see, and I'll get on that. But for now, let's get you the verse of the day. Verse of the day is Joshua 1:9. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. That verse means to me that whenever I get scared, I have God anywhere I go, so He's there to comfort me. I'm not sure what it means to you, but hopefully you can get something out of it. See y'all then, whenever the next one.